everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. Today it's time to check in on my project pan and see where we're at. We're getting almost to the end of the year. So let's get started. I do have my Clinique Chubby Stick blush. I did use it some. I didn't use it enough though. I know I didn't. There is that much left and it's just below that bottom line. I mean, just barely. Just barely. So yeah, I will probably declutter that at the end of the year, but I'm going to leave it in, keep using it. So let's keep going on that one. Next, my color wheel. Again, I have been using it, but mainly just this one color. And I have hit pan on it. I hit pan on it a while back. But yep, I will probably be decluttering that as well. Next, my little Tarte lipstick. I have it on. This is Park Avenue Princess. I have been using it. Look how much is left. Let me show you. It is well below that last little line. So yeah. My goal is to have this done hopefully next month. If not, it'll definitely be done by the end of the year. Definitely. So, yay on that one. My ColourPop highlighter in Lunch Money. I knew I wouldn't use this up. It's taken me forever and ever. I have it on today. It just keeps going and going and it's performing great. So, I don't mind keeping it as long as it's still working. For some reason, these eyeshadows dry up 10 times quicker than the face products. So I'm okay with that. Next, I had a Dolce & Gabbana light blue fragrance from my Scentbird. That is used up, so that can go away. And then this Bath & Body Works Frosted Wonderland Shimmer Swirl Lotion. I made a mark at the bottom of the lotion. You can see how much I've used because we're up to here. So I have used it. I know some of you saying, oh, probably I could use that up in a day or so. I don't know. I don't like things on my hands. I don't mind things on my face. I don't like things on my hands, so I have a harder time using lotions. I do try, but I don't try hard enough, but I need to use that up. So I took out the Dolce & Gabbana because that is gone. And this one is basically a freebie, but I'm throwing it in there. Let's get this used up. This is my last bottle of Clinique Happy, and that's how much I got left. So I want to use this up. Let's put some on. I used to only wear Clinique Happy. That used to be the only scent I wore, and I would get a compliment every day. Now I can smell it. I haven't worn this in quite a while because it got to the point I can smell it, and I wanted to enjoy my fragrance. So I'm going to use this one up. I will probably buy another bottle of this sometime. I'm not in any hurry because, like I said, I wore this exclusively. I know for at least 5 years or longer. 5 years or more. I wore this longer than 5 years. My goodness. Long time. I wore it maybe closer to 10 years exclusively. So yeah, there we go. So I'm using other fragrances, but I want to go ahead and use that one up and say it's, use it up and say it's gone. So there we go. That's where I'm at. My goal is to hopefully get the Clinique Happy out. Maybe get this lotion out. Maybe I should just sit and focus on it. And the Tarte lipstick for sure. Get that out. I am not going to add anything else to my project pan because I have next month to check in, which is November and then December. So yeah, this is what I got. So guys, thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe. Any questions or comments, just leave them down below, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.